For those of you who wondered what I've been getting up to since January this year when I last put out a clock video, well, I got another project which I picked up in January, and I've spent several months now getting it back into a roadworthy condition. Take a look. I've always wanted to restore a vintage car, and when the opportunity of an empty garage came up over the winter months, I decided to buy a car that I'd always dreamed of as a kid, and that was a Triumph Stag. I bought a 53-year-old Triumph Stag from a guy down in Essex. It was bought very cheaply, but it needed a lot done to it, so I got it driven up to Scotland, and then I set to work. I thought it would only take 6 to 8 weeks to restore, having been used to restoring motorbikes in the past, but little did I know how long it was going to take. I ended up having to rewire most of it. None of the cockpit instrumentation worked. It needed new safety belts, it needed new rubber seals in all the windows. The list went on and on, and it took a lot longer than I thought to get it going. Now I've got it to a state where it's ready for an MOT, and something I can use over the summer months. It certainly gets the thumbs up from Archie. So I've wiped all the oil off my hands, clean, ready to start again on the clock making. Got another video coming out very, very soon, so stay tuned, and look forward to showing you my latest project. Bye for now.